Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Google Ads course series, I'm going to teach you how to create bumper ads on YouTube. Technically, it is not on YouTube, it is for YouTube and on Google Ads. Yes, we are going to use Google Ads platform in order to create bumper ads for YouTube platform, right? So let's directly get into my Google Ads account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my Google Ads account. Now I'm going to create a new campaign. So in order to create a new campaign, either you can click on this button or you can click on this button. Both are same. Hit the campaign button and we are into our campaign creation process. Now here we have to select our objective first. So as I already told you that we are going to run bumper ads, and bumper ads are shown on videos first part, sometimes in the middle part, and sometimes in the end part of your video, right? And this is usually is maximum of 6 seconds, right? It is maximum of 6 seconds or under 6 seconds. So if you want to create your bumper ads, you should have a video of around 6 seconds or minimum basically below 6 seconds. And it is kind of a non-skippable because this is 6 second video. You can't skip this video or skip this ad. Now according to the nature of this ad type, you have to select your objective, right? Because this is just a 6 second video. This is best for branding and awareness, but not good for sales or any kind of conversion. Like if you want leads, then I don't think this bumper ad campaign would do something great for you, right? This is best for branding and awareness. But for now, I'm going with create a campaign without a goal guidance. Now here obviously we have to select video campaign type, and once I select video campaign type, I got these options. Now here you don't get direct any bumper ad creation process. Basically you don't get any sub campaign type by the name of bumper ads. You have to select these options where bumper ads can be created, like target frequency. As you can see here, bumper ads are available, and in efficient reach we also have bumper ads, right? So you can create these two type of ad in order to create bumper ads. You can select these two type of sub campaign type. So I'm going with efficient reach, as I already told you that bumper ads are best for branding and awareness, so reach is one of them. So I'm selecting efficient reach and I'm hitting the continue button. Now we are into our 4-step campaign creation process: campaign settings, ad group, ads, and bidding, right? So this is the 4 step we have to complete. So the first option is campaign name. You can give your campaign whatever name you want, otherwise you can leave it as it is, the default name, right? Then in bidding strategy, we get only one strategy option, and that is target CPM, cost per milestone, right? You don't have any access or you don't have any option to change this bidding strategy, right? So we can't do anything with bidding strategy, but we have this budget options. Basically you can set your own budget, right? Now in budget option we do get two options: daily budget or total campaign budget. So whatever the option suits you, you can choose. I'm going with daily budget and I'm putting amount around 4,000, which is roughly around $50 a day. So this is my daily budget, $50 a day. Right now here you can set your campaign start and end date. If you want, you can change your campaign's start date, and if you don't, your campaign will run by today only. As you can see here, today is 12th of July and the start date is showing 12th of July. If you want, you can edit it and you can add the end date as well. Now in network by default YouTube is already selected. You can't change the YouTube network, but you have option to change, or you have option to turn it off, the Google display network. If you don't want to show your ads on Google's display network, you can turn this option off, like I'm doing, right? So I just want to show my ads on YouTube, that's why I've selected YouTube only. Now location is totally up to you, that which location you want to select. If you want to add any specific area, specific city, specific postal code, then you can click on advanced search and you can add those areas, postal code or cities here, right? Now for a time being, I'm going with the whole country. I want to target whole country, so I've selected the country. In your case it can be US, it can be Canada, it can be any country, right? Now what will be the languages. So my audience is English speaking as well as Hindi speaking, right? So if your audience is speaks any other language, you can select those languages from here, right? And if you cross all these two, then all language will be automatically selected by default. Now in related videos, if you want to add or show some related videos with your ad, then you can add your related videos by clicking here, but I'm not going to do this. Also, it says that it helps you to increase engagement. This is not guaranteed that it will help you to increase engagement, but yeah, it increase the chances of getting higher engagement, right? Then we have product feed option. So if you have created your Google Merchant Center account, let's say you are a e-com business and you have created your Google Merchant Center account, right? So if you might have approved some product in your Merchant Center account, so what you can do is you can promote those product directly with your ad as well. But I don't want to promote my ad because my Google Merchant Center account is totally different and the advertising I'm doing is totally different for now, right? So you get the option. If you want, you can choose it and your Merchant Center accounts product will be automatically promoted with your ad. You have to select your Merchant Center account as like I have here, right? So I'm turning this option off. In additional settings, you get few more options, and these are pretty important options like device setting. If you want to target any specific device, let's say you just want to show your ads on Android devices or any tablets, only tablets, right? So you can select this option, set specific target for device, and here you can select the device, the operating system, models and networks as well, right? So you can target on the basis of these options. Let's say you just want to show your ads on mobile devices, so turn these options off and mobile devices will be automatically selected, right? So this is how you can target, but for now I want to show my ads on all eligible devices. Now we do have frequency capping option. So what is the meaning of this frequency capping option? Basically, it helps you to show your ad to the same user in a limited number of time, right? Let's say you just want to show your ad to the same user for only 5 times a day. So you can set that frequency here. Now it is based on impression based and view based. So view is like if the user has done any kind of interaction, if the user has watched your video till the end or at least 50% of the video, then it will be counted as a view. Or if your user is just not doing any interaction or not doing any action with your ad, then it will be counted as a impression, which means your ads are just being showing to your audience, but your user is not doing anything, your user is not taking any action against your advertisement, right? So that will be counted as an impression. Now in, let's say, let me check the impression box for now you can set frequency on a per day basis, on a per week basis and per month basis. Let's say I want to show my ads to the same user 5 times a day, I can add now 20 times a week and 50 times a month, right? So my ad will be shown maximum of 5 times a day, maximum of 20 times a week, and maximum my ad will be shown to the same user 50 times per month, 50 times a month, right? Not more than that. Now in view frequency I can do the same thing, but I don't want to set the same amount because the user, in this case the user have been interacted with my advertisement, right? So I can't make them bored or irritate with my ads every time. So I want to show my ads 2 times a day, 5 times, no, 10 times a week, and I don't want to set for the month, right? This is what I have done with the frequency capping, right? I hope you learned the process. Then we have this ad schedule option. Let's say you just want to show your ads on a weekends or just on a weekdays. So you can set those days or set those even timings as well, you can set here, right? Let's say you just want to show your ads on Monday mornings and Tuesday evenings. So you can set that thing here as well, right? Everything can be customized, but for now I want to show my ads on all day. Then in third party measurement, we don't have any option over here, so it is totally none. Now we are into create your ad group, so you can name your ad group if you want, otherwise you can leave as it is the default, right? Then in demographics, you can set your demographics, like you basically you can define your target audience. Like my target audience is only male, so I'll be selecting male. My target audience is under 35, so I'll be selecting like this. But in this case, in my case, I'm promoting digital marketing product, right? Basically digital marketing course, so it can be done by female and male both, right? And I think my target audience, or the majority of audience, is around 18 to 34. Yeah, so I'll be adding some customization here. And parental status is not so important, anybody can do digital marketing course, even a parent or a non-parent. And the household income is also not compulsory here, because my course is pretty affordable, so I'm not doing any changes in household income as well, right? So I've just made changes in ages, and here you can see the changes in estimated results. As you can see, now it is showing 5.7 billion, and it will also having tons of data that will be filtered right now. Then in audience segment, if you have created any list of audience, let's say you have a website, you have e-com website or blog website or any kind of business website, right? You might have tracked those audience through Google Analytics, so you might have created those list, your website's visitor, or you in maybe in past you have run your ads, so you have any kind of audience list, so you can target those list from your audience segment. So if you have created any list, you will be able to select those list here, and this particular ad will target those users as well, right? Also, you can select any affinity audience, in market audience. I hope you know about this, and if you don't know, you can check out our Google Ads course playlist, where you will be able to learn about this affinity and in market audience, right? So I hope audience segment is clear now. So once, if you have, you can do it. If you don't have, you don't have to do it, right? Now the main thing is here, where you want your ads to show, basically where you want to show your ads, on the basis of which. So we have three options: on the basis of keywords, on the basis of topic, and placement, right? So on the basis of keyword is basically, let's say my I know that my audience would be searching like keywords like best digital marketing services or best digital marketing service available in India or in Delhi. So this kind of thing can be targeted. Basically, I can add those keywords in the list, and whenever the user or the audience on YouTube searches those keywords, my ad will be started showing to those audience, right? So this is how keyword based targeting or keyword based placement works. Then we have topic based. So in topic based, I can directly target the digital marketing topic or social media marketing topic related to my business. So I'll be selecting those topics, I'll be targeting those topics, and people or the audience falls under those topics will be automatically targeted, right? Then we have placement based option. So placement based option is basically, let's say you want to target any specific YouTube channel or any specific YouTube video, so you can do that as well. Let's say you just want to show your ads on Marketing Funda's YouTube channel, so you can select those YouTube channel here. Or you just want to show your ads on any specific video, so you can select those videos as well, video lineups as well. So these are the options are available here in placement based targeting, right? So now I'm going with topic based because it is pretty simple. You just have to select the topic. So I'll be selecting digital marketing here, searching digital marketing. Oops. So let me write digital marketing over here, right? So that I can search. Oops, not here. I was writing here digital marketing, yeah, and topics. So once I search digital marketing, I see these type of topics. So I think advertising and marketing would be fine for me, or anything else if I find. Let me write few more things. Social media marketing. Yeah, social media marketing is also here. So I have done with my targeting. Basically, I have selected two topics: social media marketing and advertising and marketing, right? And as you can see, my available impressions are went down to 8 million only, right? So I've done with my topics. Basically, this is the targeting you have to done. Now here you have to add your video, right? So I've already searched a video which is around 5 seconds, because in our channel we don't have any video which is for 5 seconds only. So I've just copied the URL here and I'm pasting that URL here, right? Once I paste the URL, it will automatically search all the things, right? The video is already fetched here. Now what I have to do is I have to add the final URL. What will be the final URL? So final URL will be my landing page, not landing page, will be our website. So I'm selecting our website's URL, copy it and going here and pasting here, right? This is the final URL, basically where you want to land your user, right? Then here you have to add the display URL. What will be the display URL? I think it would be fine. If you want, you can change it as well. Then call to action, yes, I want to add call to action. If you want, you can leave the call to action as well, but obviously it is good to add a call to action. Now you can change the call to action as well. These are the options. I'm going with learn more, and you can add the headline as well. This is the headline, the bold line, as you can see, Fabian Sidler wear. Now I can change it to best digital. But the thing is, here you have only 15 characters limit. So I'm writing best DM, digital marketing course. Done. Right? Now everything is done here. Now there's one small thing, that companion banner. If you want to add companion banner, you can upload it. If you don't know what is companion banner, let me show you what is this companion banner. And the thing is, it is only for computers only, desktops, right? Desktop or laptop, both are same. Now if we go on images, these are the companions. Let me open it. This is the companion banner. If your ad is showing here, the companion banner will be showing here like this, right? So if you want to add your companion banner, you can create your own and add it to your campaign. Otherwise, you can do the auto generate thing. On the companion banner will be auto generated through your channel banner. It will automatically take the channel banner and it use it as a companion banner. Now you can name your campaign if you want to customize the name. Otherwise, you can leave it the default, right? And in ad creation, you can create more ads like this. So this is just one ad. If you want to create multiple ads in this particular campaign, you can create it by just clicking on this plus icon, right? And the procedure is same. I'm not going to show the same procedure again and again. This procedure is same. You just have to click on plus icon and you can you'll be able to create one more ad, right? Now once your ad creation is done, as you can see, our ad creation is done. There's no thumbnail, right? Because obviously, now in bidding option, you have to select the bidding, and Google is showing that 55 rupees 64 paisa is the recommended bidding. Basically, for 1000 impressions for maximum of 1 CPM cost per milestone, you have to pay 55.64 rupees. So I'm applying the recommended budget. If you want, you can go above than this number, or you can go below than this number, but the result will be vary according to your bidding, right? So I'm using the same number which Google is suggesting me, and once I add the bidding, you'll be able to see this estimated performance here. This much impression, this much average CPM would be this much, then budget and the unique reach. What will be the unique reach you'll get, right? So this is what, or this is how the campaign creation process looks like. Now you just have to create a campaign button and your campaign will be created, right? As you can see, congratulations, your campaign is ready. Now after getting approved from Google's end, the campaign will automatically start. Let me go to campaign, continue to campaign, and we'll be able to, once the campaign gets started, we'll be able to see the results, right? So this is how you create your bumper ads campaign for YouTube on Google Ads. I hope you learned this process. I hope you learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share the video, the playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Google Ads, YouTube Ads. And I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.